What up, YouTube? Your boy Big C. Welcome to the 2025 lawn care season. It's kicked off. It's the second or third week of April, right before Resurrected Sunday. I'm gonna try to go out and cut, but it's looking real doubtful. It kind of drizzled last night and this morning. So, you know, Noosa Lawn Care, we don't like cutting wet grass, messing up people's grass. But what I've been doing today, which I've been trying to do for a minute, got the permission last year. My neighbor gave me permission to use a piece of plot of their land to start a garden. So that's why the title of this video is Urban Garden. So I tilled the land, started my rows. I gotta go to Menards and get some more stuff. I'm gonna tell y'all now, I'm gonna cheat in my garden because I'm gonna add some organic fertilizer to the soil to, you know, kind of amend the soil, give the garden extra boost. I do got my seeds. You see I got peppers. I know I'm supposed to start from seedlings, but I'm starting with some seeds, especially with I got sweet corn. So, and like I said, and tomorrow's gonna be Resurrected Sunday or Easter for some people. But I'm gonna show you what I did so far, and then I gotta go get some fencing to put up, make sure that our neighborhood deer, rabbits, squirrels, and raccoons don't come and have them a field day. Plus, I'm gonna put some lime down over it to kind of disencourage them. If the lime don't work, then I am gonna make some natural pepper spray and put down. But let me flip this camera and let you see what I did so far. So yeah, you can see the rows. That middle row there, that's where I'm gonna be able to walk in between my other rows. I got 4 rows here, and then 3 little short 4 foot rows. Those about 9 or 10 foot rows up there. And I know you was like, it's still some vegetation growing. Well, I was gonna get Roundup, but that's not safe. So I'm gonna make the natural version of Roundup, which is vinegar, Dawn soap, and Epsom salt, and spray it up there by the fence, along the fence, the fence line, and then right here, I'm gonna put I'm gonna go get some chicken wire and some posts and put it right here so the animals can't just walk up and have a feast. So, let me show you. I used my tiller, my Honda, and I had about 4 years to turn the soil over. Use my hoe and a spader, hoe, garden hoe to make my rows. So, but yeah, I'm gonna add some organic fertilizer, some like 550, spread it along just the tops, and spray along that to kill that out. So right now I got pepper. Let me show you. I got peppers and sweet corn. I'm gonna try to see if Menards got any seedlings yet, and then I gotta call this other garden place before 12 and see if they got seedlings yet for vegetable gardens. And I'm gonna come plant them. All right, I'll holler at y'all. So that's my chicken wire, about 20 feet chicken wire. I got it zip tied here and there, and make sure I did a trench on both sides of the gate. I'm gonna still spray that down. I haven't planted nothing yet. I haven't planted my seedlings because we in Chicago. my local garden told me to wait until after Mother's Day, which is 4 weeks away. So I got time to spray the stuff that's growing down and kill it off, and still have time to plant my seedlings. So I'll holler back at you.